Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix crash on your WeChat app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your settings. You just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, and you just go down here, then you click here on apps, then it's going to take you to apps window here, then you just go down here to looking for WeChat app. You just go down here, then you click here on WeChat and it's going to take you to next window here, then you just click here on for stop and you click here on OK, then you go down and you click here on storage, then it's going to take you to storage window. Just click here on clear cache and you click here on clear data, and all you have to do, you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video. So thank you for your watching.